So this is the day I've been waiting for all winter long. Given up hope. Completely given up hope. Just thought we were not going to get a good snowfall. And here we are. Woo, I'm excited. So, I'm gonna pull on the snowshoes and I'm just gonna have a great hike. There's probably about 8 or so inches of snow on the ground, and I'm just gonna push through and take you along on the ride. It's gonna be a great day, and I'm super, super stoked. Catch ya. Out today. We're in the middle of a nor'easter. It's been falling for about 36 hours now. And on the first full day of spring, which is just kind of Pennsylvania's way of going, I got you, man. State Park on the Mary Furnace Trail. And man, it's just beautiful out today. Stomp around and see if we can get maybe some drone footage. See if we can get the Mavic. It's a little tight, so I don't want to put it in the drink, because you can see there's a stream right there. Anyway, I'm just out and gonna kind of stomp around and take you along for the ride. Been hiking for about 10 minutes or so, and there's a light, steady snow falling, and I just love how absolutely beautiful the trees are, covered in snow. I have a camera. I don't think I'm even gonna take a shot, and it's totally cool, because just the opportunity to get out here and spend an hour in this is very needed. Over there. Go well. It was having a tough time with the snow. It's okay. I'm just gonna keep filming. I'm just gonna keep hiking and put this thing together. It just wasn't cooperating. I think it was the snowfall was just wreaking havoc on the connection between the controller itself, so it's cool. I mean, because here's the thing. Here's what it's all about. Just getting out here. That this is going to be some of y'all think this might be a boring video, and it's cool. Thousand does. This is some rugged conditions. I don't think I've ever taken this camera out in weather quite like this, but hey, tools gotta be used, right? You're only as good as your gear. No, your gear is worthless. All you got is right in here. I haven't really asked for comments and requests about the kind of videos y'all want to be seeing. Because right now I'm having a ton of fun just shooting these kind of introspective videos, just going out with a camera, showing some of those shots and sharing them with you, and it's awesome. But what kind of content do you want to be seeing? So leave me a comment down below, right down there, and show me what we can be doing. What really makes this fun is interacting with people who love and respond to these videos, subscribe. It still blows my mind that people I don't know subscribe to the content, and so thank you for that. My little rig right here, no second camera, just got a little handheld thing, and so to kind of come up with interesting shots. It's not me talking to you or y'all looking down at my feet. It's a little tough. I don't gotta be perfect. none of y'all need to be perfect. The cool thing about these platforms, whether it's YouTube or Instagram, is you just go out and make the thing. Day. Heading back to the car now. I've done about 3 miles. And snow's still coming down. It's lighting up a lot, and I think we're supposed to get some more in through tomorrow. I might even throw it up today. Just because, you know, doing these kind of quick edits and these quick little videos just to get them out almost as bonus cuts, it's a lot of fun. So, man, what a gorgeous day. Just love how quiet the woods are after a snowfall. And so this is where I'm gonna end it. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm just gonna hike back out in silence to just listen to myself breathe. Peace.